Hey Cancer, I need to talk to you about something that just showed up in your cards and honestly, this reading stopped me in my tracks. What I am seeing here is not just about someone being caught off guard. This is about someone who is absolutely shaken because they just realized UKNEW. You felt the shift before they even made their move. You sensed the betrayal energy while they were still planning it in their mind. And now they are sitting there, completely unsettled because your intuition called them out before their actions could. Let me pull the cards for you right now because this energy is incredibly specific and I need you to understand exactly what is happening in your situation. The first card I am pulling is the Four of Pentacles, and I have to tell you, this card alone reveals so much about what has been going on. This is someone who has been holding on extremely tight to something that involves you, whether that is information, resources, opportunities, or even emotional availability. They have been in complete control mode. Picture someone literally clutching their chest, arms crossed, guarding everything they have. This person has been operating from a place of fear and scarcity when it comes to you. They have been withholding. They have been calculating. They have been making sure that you do not get access to what they believe is theirs to control. But here is what makes this so interesting, Cancer. The Four of Pentacles shows someone who is so focused on holding on that they become rigid. They become predictable. And your intuitive nature as a Cancer means you can feel when someone's energy shifts from open to closed. You can sense when walls go up. You can detect when someone starts protecting themselves from you rather than connecting with you. This person thought they were being clever by holding back. They thought their calculated moves were invisible. But you felt every single withdrawal of energy. You noticed every time they became a little less available, a little less transparent, a little less genuine. What they did not realize is that Cancers do not need someone to announce their betrayal out loud. You feel the emotional undercurrent before anything surfaces. You sense their energetic hoarding before they ever took the physical action. And now that things are coming to light, they are realizing you are not surprised at all. You were already emotionally prepared because your intuition gave you the warning signs weeks, or maybe even months ago. They are terrified because they understand now that you are not someone who can be easily deceived. Your sensitivity is not a weakness. It is actually your greatest strategic advantage. The second card coming through is the Page of Wands, and this is where the story gets even more revealing. The Page of Wands represents messages, communication, new information coming forward. But in this context, this is specifically about someone who sent out exploratory energy. This person was testing the waters. They were checking to see what they could get away with. The Page energy is curious but also immature. This is someone who thought they could play games with your awareness. They thought they could send mixed signals, drop little hints of disloyalty, maybe even create situations to see how much you are paying attention. Think about the Page of Wands as someone lighting small fires just to see what burns. They were being opportunistic. They were looking for openings. They were messengers of their own agenda, and they assumed you would not connect the dots. Maybe they were having conversations behind your back while still smiling to your face. Maybe they were pursuing something that directly conflicts with what they promised you. Maybe they were spreading information about you that was not theirs to share. Whatever the specific situation is, they were moving in a way that betrayed the trust between you. But here is what has them shaking, Cancer. You picked up on their exploratory betrayal energy immediately. The Page of Wands is enthusiastic, but not particularly subtle. This person left energetic breadcrumbs everywhere, and your Cancerian intuition followed every single one. You might not have confronted them directly at first. You might have just quietly observed, but they are now realizing that you were tracking their moves the entire time. They thought they were being clever and covert. Instead, they were being completely transparent. To someone who reads emotional frequencies as easily as reading text messages, what makes this particularly uncomfortable for them is that the Page of Wands also represents someone who is now exposed as inexperienced in their deception. They tried to play chess, but they only knew how to play checkers. And you, with your deep emotional intelligence, saw through their amateur attempt at manipulation. They are terrified because they have been caught not just in the act of betrayal, but in the arrogance of thinking they could betray someone as perceptive as you without consequences. Now, the third card I am pulling is Temperance and a Cancer. This card is so important because it shows me exactly how you have been handling this situation internally. Temperance is about balance, patience, and divine timing. While this person was out there making messy moves and testing boundaries, you were doing something completely different. You were staying centered. You were not reacting impulsively. You were not confronting prematurely. You were allowing the situation to reveal itself fully before you made any moves. This is what truly terrifies them. They expected you to react emotionally and immediately. They expected drama, confrontation, maybe even desperation. Instead, you gave them something far more unsettling, which is your calm, observant presence. Temperance shows that you have been blending your intuition with your strategic mind. You felt the betrayal energy, but you did not let it throw you off balance. You recognized what was happening, and then you gave it space to fully show itself. You have been the person standing back, watching the situation unfold, gathering information, and most importantly, protecting your own energy while they self-destruct. What the Temperance card reveals is that you understood something critical. You understood that rushing to confront or expose would have actually worked in their favor. It would have made you look reactive or paranoid. It would have given them the opportunity to gaslight you or turn the situation around. Instead, you practice patience. You let their own actions speak louder than any accusation you could make. And now they're sitting in the reality that everything they tried to hide is coming to the surface anyway, not because you forced it, but because truth always finds a way to balance itself out. This person is terrified of your temperance energy because it means you are not someone who can be manipulated into emotional chaos. You are not going to blow up and make yourself look unstable. You are not going to give them ammunition to use against you. You are simply standing in your truth, holding your boundaries, and letting natural consequences play out. They realize now that you are far more powerful than they estimated. Your emotional maturity combined with your intuitive accuracy makes you absolutely formidable. They thought they were dealing with someone they could destabilize. Instead, they are dealing with someone who has been 10 steps ahead the entire time. The fourth card is the Empress in Cancer. This card just amplifies everything I've been saying because the Empress is your energy. This is the divine feminine in full power. This is nurturing energy that has boundaries. This is creativity that has standards. This is abundance that does not tolerate scarcity mindset from others. The Empress shows me that you have been operating from a place of fullness in your own life. You have been focused on your own growth, your own projects, your own emotional garden. And this person's betrayal is honestly just background noise to the beautiful life you are cultivating. Here is what makes the Empress so significant in this reading. This card represents someone who knows their value. You are not sitting around waiting for this person to validate you or choose you or treat you right. You already know what you bring to any connection. You already understand your worth. And that self-assurance is exactly what makes their betrayal feel so foolish in hindsight. They gave up access to someone operating in Empress energy, someone who could have brought genuine abundance into their life, all because they wanted to play small games and hold on to their little Four of Pentacles security. The Empress also shows me that you have been receiving intuitive downloads about this situation through your creative and emotional channels. Maybe you have been having dreams that showed you the truth. Maybe you have been feeling physical sensations in your body when this person's name comes up. Maybe you have been getting sudden insights during quiet moments that connected all the pieces together. The Empress is deeply connected to intuitive knowing that comes through the body and the heart, not just the mind. So, while this person thought they were hiding their betrayal behind logic and excuses, you were receiving direct downloads from your higher self that confirmed what your gut was already telling you. They are terrified because the Empress does not need to fight for scraps. The Empress does not need to convince anyone of the truth. The Empress simply withdraws her energy from situations that are not worthy and watches as everything that was built on deception crumbles on its own. You are not trying to get revenge, Cancer. You are not trying to expose them publicly or make them suffer. You are simply redirecting your abundant energy toward people and situations that actually deserve it. And that quiet withdrawal of your presence is more devastating to them than any confrontation could ever be. The fifth card coming through is the Ace of Pentacles, and this is beautiful, Cancer, because this shows me that while this person was busy betraying you and playing games, the universe was actually setting you up for something completely new and far better. The Ace of Pentacles is a gift from the material realm. This is a new opportunity, a new beginning, a new offer that is solid and real and tangible. This could be related to finances, career, living situation, or even a new relationship that actually has substance and stability. What I love about the Ace of Pentacles showing up in this reading is the timing of it. This card is telling me that your intuition about the betrayal was not just protective. It was also redirective. Your inner guidance was not only warning you about what was wrong, it was simultaneously steering you toward what is right. While you are feeling the off energy from this person and choosing not to invest more of yourself into that connection, you are unknowingly creating space for this new Ace of Pentacles opportunity to come through. This person is terrified because they are starting to see that their betrayal did not break you. It actually freed you. They thought you would be stuck mourning what they took or what they did. Instead, you are moving forward into something that has way more potential than anything they could have ever offered you. The Ace of Pentacles represents the universe saying, "Thank you for trusting your intuition. Thank you for not settling. Thank you for knowing your worth. And here is your reward for honoring yourself." They are watching you step into new opportunities while they are stuck in their Four of Pentacles energy, still clutching and controlling and operating from fear. They are seeing you receive tangible blessings while they are dealing with the karma of their choices. And the worst part for them is that they know this new chapter in your life is a direct result of you listening to your intuition about them. You felt the betrayal, you stepped back, and that created the opening for genuine abundance to enter. They have to live with the knowledge that they could have been part of your rise, but instead they chose deception, and now they are watching. From the outside, the sixth and final card I am pulling for you, Cancer, is the Six of Pentacles, and this card seals everything I have been telling you. The Six of Pentacles is about balance, giving and receiving. It is about fairness, generosity, and karmic distribution. In this reading, this card is showing me two things simultaneously. First, it is showing me that you have been someone who gives generously in your connections. You show up, you care, you invest your emotional energy, you offer support and understanding. You operate from a place of reciprocity where you genuinely want to exchange positive energy with the people in your life. But the Six of Pentacles is also about receiving what you are owed. And right now, this card is revealing that the energetic books are being balanced. This person who betrayed you is going to receive the consequences of their actions. Not because you are seeking revenge, but because universal law demands balance. They took when they should have given. They withheld when they should have shared. They betrayed when they should have honored. And now the Six of Pentacles is redistributing energy back to its rightful place. What they tried to take from you is being returned. What they tried to deny you is being released. The karmic accounts are being settled. Here is what has this person absolutely shaken, Cancer. The Six of Pentacles shows that they are now in the position of the person who has to receive the consequences while watching you receive the rewards. They see you being given opportunities, recognition, support, and resources from the universe because you operated with integrity. They see you being elevated while they are being humbled. And they cannot argue with it because deep down they know the karmic math adds up perfectly. They know they created this outcome through their own choices. The Six of Pentacles also indicates that you might be in a position soon where this person tries to come back around, possibly even asking for your forgiveness or trying to get back into your good graces. This card can represent someone extending an olive branch or offering something as an apology. But Cancer, I need you to understand something crucial. The Six of Pentacles is about balanced exchange. If someone is coming to you with an offer, you need to evaluate whether it is truly fair or whether it is just another manipulative attempt to regain access to your energy. You get to decide what terms are acceptable for any reconciliation, if you even want that at all. What makes them terrified about the Six of Pentacles showing up is that they realize you are now operating from a place of power in this dynamic. You are the one who decides what happens next. You are the one who sets the boundaries. You are the one who determines whether they get another chance or whether they are permanently cut off from your energy. They went from thinking they were in control with their Four of Pentacles, hoarding, to realizing that you actually hold all the cards now. The balance of power has completely shifted, and it is because you trusted your intuition and acted accordingly. So let me bring all of this together for you, Cancer. Someone in your life betrayed you or attempted to betray you. But because of your incredible intuitive sensitivity, you felt it coming before it even fully happened. You sensed the energetic shift. You noticed the withdrawal. You picked up on the deceptive patterns. And instead of ignoring your gut feeling or talking yourself out of it, you trusted what you were perceiving. You might not have made a big scene about it. You might have just quietly pulled back and observed. But your intuition was completely accurate. Now, this person is sitting in the uncomfortable realization that you knew. You were not blindsided. You were not fooled. You were actually aware the entire time, and you were strategically choosing how to respond. That awareness is what terrifies them because it means they never had the upper hand they thought they had. It means their betrayal was not even successful in catching you off guard. It means you were far more perceptive and powerful than they gave you credit for. The cards are showing me that you are moving into a new chapter that is so much better than what you are leaving behind. The Ace of Pentacles and Six of Pentacles together indicate tangible blessings and karmic justice working in your favor. You are being rewarded for trusting yourself. You are being elevated because you refused to ignore the red flags your intuition was waving. And this person who tried to deceive, you gets to watch you thrive while they deal with the consequences of their choices, your Temperance and Empress. Energies show me that you are handling this with remarkable grace and maturity. You are not being dragged into drama. You are not seeking revenge. You are simply standing in your truth and allowing the universe to balance the scales. And that quiet confidence is more intimidating than any loud confrontation could ever be. If you are Cancer, and this resonated with you, I want you to know that your intuition is one of your greatest gifts. Never doubt those gut feelings. Never talk yourself out of what you sense emotionally. Your ability to feel betrayal before it fully manifests is not paranoia. It is protection. It is your inner guidance system keeping you safe and steering you toward better situations. Trust it, honor it, and keep moving forward into the beautiful new beginning that is waiting for you.